Mastering Tables in Documents, a step-by-step guide. Have you ever struggled to organize information neatly in your documents? With tables, you can make your work look polished and professional. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about creating, editing, and formatting tables with ease. Let's get started. To begin, open your document editor and locate the Insert Table option. Choose the number of rows and columns based on your needs. Once inserted, click into any cell to start adding text or objects like images or icons. It's as easy as point and click. Need more space? Don't worry. You can resize your table by dragging the borders to adjust their dimensions. With just these few steps, your table layout is ready to go. Editing a table is simple. You can insert or delete rows and columns by right-clicking on the table and selecting the appropriate options. Need to combine cells? Select them, right-click, and choose Merge Cells for a seamless look. Mistakes happen, but tables are easily adjustable. Rearrange content or add elements without having to start from scratch. Practice testing these features. It's quick and fun. Formatting your table can make a huge difference in presentation. Align your text left, center, or right for professional-looking results. Enable or disable grid lines to either declutter or emphasize. Want your table to stand out? Add colors by shading cells or adjusting row backgrounds. Use text wrapping for a clean fit, even with large content. Experiment with these tools for tables that truly pop. Start using tables in your documents with confidence. Practice creating, editing, and formatting tables to transform plain information into organized, eye-catching displays. Ready to make your work shine? Try out these tips today and start mastering tables. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this tutorial with others. It's time to ace your table game.